Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I'll try to explain how we can write a professional motivation letter step by step. So let's start. As you know that motivation letter is a very important when you are applying for PhD, for master, for bachelor, for research position, for a job. Nowadays most of the company university ask for motivation letter because they want to know how motivated you are. They want to know about your education background, your job, your experience, your study and so on. So it's very important to write a professional motivation letter for your job, for your education. So let's start. As you know that this is a simple template and I will try to explain, right? First of all, to write a motivation letter, you have to write your own information like your name, from, first of all, start from, then your name, your address and your email. And then you have to write to a person to a person that you want to write. For example, you want to write hiring manager, you want to write your professor, you want to write this letter to university. Simple. You have to write the company, university name, address and so on. And then you have to write subject. And subject is really important. You have to mention that for what purpose you are writing this motivation letter. Simply here, as I write application for PhD position in information technology, so you have to write in simple that application for software engineering position, application for master degree position and so on, application for research position. You have to write in a simple words here to mention that why you writing this motivation letter. And then you have to write dear hiring manager, dear professor, dear doctor and so on. You have to write the proper name or maybe the person name or and so on. If you don't know name, you have to write dear hiring manager and so on. And then your motivation letter start your body, right? Then you have, first of all, start from, as you can see, introduction. Introduction, you have to write about yourself, state of purpose of writing, and specify academic program or opportunity. Simply, as you can see, I write one paragraph for introduction. I write why I'm writing this letter and which position I'm applying for and so on. Simply, I write this one small paragraph for introduction. And then body. In body, I try to write discuss academic background and achievement, explain about professional experience. As you can see, I discuss about academic background in detail, that I studied bachelor, master and so on. And then I write about professional experience. If I have, I explain in details. And then, as you can see, describe future goals and motivation, demonstrate to fit and contribution for the program. As you can see, motivation goal. Here you have to write about motivational letter that you are very interested for this position, you are fit this position and so on. And then here you have to write fit and contribution. Here you have to show that you are fit for this position and you will contribute in different way that you have to explain by yourself. And then conclusion. You have to summarize the key point and express excited about joining the program and eager to get started. And conclusion, as you can see. And simple, then you are sincerely Tariq Khan. This is a simple motivation letter that you can write for your any position that you want to apply. Right now, I will explain how you can uh, create a template, a beautiful template, attractive template for your motivation letter. So let's start. Simply open your browser, just right here, Google, and open the Europass cover letter. Open this website. This is the official website of Europass. Open the first link. As you can see, this is the official website for Europass. Simply you can search on Google, open the official link and click on create cover letter, right? Simply right now you click on create new cover letter. Cover letter and motivation letter are almost same. The template are same, okay? So you don't need to worry. Simply write here your name, for example, okay? And I will write the city name, country, okay, perfect. And if I want to write a number or email, I will write email here, okay, okay, simply, and I will click on save. As you can see, this is my detail. And then I will try to write the person I want to write. For example, I will write here doctor, or maybe doctor. I don't want to write anything. Dear hiring manager. Okay, and send simply name of the organization. I will copy from here, and here I have to write the name of the city and postal code if I want. Okay, and country. Simply write your country here and click on save. As you can see, it's already done. Now you have to write a subject, right? Simply write a subject. Okay, perfect. As you can see, click on save. See my detail from to the company detail, and here, as you can see, here I write the subject, and here I will write, for example, their hiring manager, or maybe the person name I know, but I don't know the name, so I will simply write their hiring manager. And here in body, I will try to write my body. For example, here, introduction. I will start from introduction. Simply I will copy introduction and I will paste here, right? And then I will write the academic background. I will copy the academic background detail here. Simply I will copy and I will paste here, right? And then I will write professional experience. First you have to write in Word, then you can just copy and paste, right? So it will be more easy for you. And then I will try to write motivation and goal. I will copy this and I will paste, right? Simply, it's quite simple. Copy your fit and contribution, paragraph, and paste. Conclusion, copy and then simple, done. Click on save. Is, as you can see, it's done. I need to edit here. Save. Click on save, and then you have to write your sincerely, maybe my name. Okay, and click on save. As you can see, it's almost done. It's look quite good, perfect. And then I will click on next. Now I can choose the template as I want. For example, I want to choose this template, and I can choose the text small. I can add the page number. I can change the color for my cover letter, for my motivation letter, and I will click on next. Now I can download this motivation letter. As you can see, it looks so beautiful, attractive, and perfect. And you can simply apply for a job, and it will be really helpful for you. Let me check because there's some problem. So we need to remove some space from here. Okay, now perfect. I will click on save and next again. So now I will change the text small. I change the color. I can add the page number. Yes. And I will click on next. Now simply I can motivational. I can write the name for, and then I will download Tariq. Let's go Khan motivational later. Okay. And I will click on download. As you can see, it's downloaded. So it's quite simple. Now you can send this letter to any company where you want. As you can see, it's look quite attractive as well as well written. So it will be really helpful for your job or for admission for anything, because it's look quite professional. So it's quite simple. If you want to write your motivation letter for your job application, for a PhD, for a research position, simply follow this step and write your professional motivation letter for your job. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.